Okay, so today I'm doing an unboxing of the iPad Pro in gold. Now, here's the thing. Everybody's done this here. I don't care. Um, I've never done it. I purchased this with my own money, and I would like to see what's in the box and play around with it later on, and hopefully I can create good art. Had some health issues, and I had realized while dying that I never had one of these guys here. I've always held off on getting one, and I can be creative, and I think the only thing that's holding me back is good equipment and the willingness to push my art further than I have before. Leaving paper behind, going straight digital. Hence the reason why I have this. I also purchased the Apple Pencil along with the iPad. And because I'm one of those paranoid guys, I do believe in at least getting a cover for the back because I don't want the gold to be scratched up. And the reason I got gold is because I am kind of a Halo fan, and Hunt for the Truth on one of those episodes, the podcast, the guys were literally talking about how they had paid $5,000 for their gold tablets, and my first thought was the gold iPad Pro, and I was like, one of these days I'm gonna get one of these things. That was like last year, and this is this year, so this is 2016, almost December. So let's crack this bad boy open. And I don't have one of those fancy knives that other people have. All I got is a small pencil pen. So let's crack this open, see what's in here. There we go. Oh, off with the plastic. There we go. And let's see what we got here. I've seen in a couple of videos people have issues getting this off, and ooh, there it is. Now I've seen this before, and there's a little tab here, which is nice, but this is so gaudy. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay, so hang on. In here is the usual legal stuff. Do we care about it that much? Not really. I got Apple stickers on my car. I don't need anybody else to know that I'm an Apple user. So, put that to the side. Here is, wow, this thing is smaller than I thought it was. This is a wall adapter. Some people couldn't identify what it was, but I'm going to tell you, this is a wall adapter. This is what you plug into this thing here. This goes here, okay? Wow, this is almost old school. It does feel thicker than the previous. So it feels thicker than the stuff what you get with the iPods and iPads, not iPhones. So this is interesting here. So let's go ahead and put this to the side, and I gotta do like the other guys. I'm gonna actually take all this off. Oh my God, that looks so that's it's flipping beautiful. I would like to curse, but kids can watch this too. So wow, it's flipping huge. It's so big. So put that to the side. And now we gotta try to get this little thing open. There we go. Getting somewhere. Come on. I don't want to use my teeth. There we go. In the plastic. And if you haven't noticed, I have extremely long fingernails right now. I have long fingernails because I haven't been to work lately because of health issues. But like I like to tell my coworkers, I'm not dead yet. Not yet. Okay, so wow. Was not expecting this here. Looks like we got an adapter of some type and an additional tip, which usually comes with styluses or styli, however you want to pronounce it. I've never seen the inside of this kind of packaging before. This is unique. Okay, I'll figure out what this is for later. Oh, this is like an adapter to go from lightning to lightning. I like that. Okay, so that's gonna be useful, very, very useful. So here is the Apple Pencil, and yes, we just unboxed the Apple Pencil as well. I don't know if I said it, but that's what we're doing. This is a cool looking device here. Oh, look at that. Just peel it off. Okay, so some people complain that this thing is long. Yeah, it is long. It's long like a brand new freaking pencil. But it does give me, it's got a little weight to it. It does feel porcelain. It feels like porcelain in my hand. It doesn't feel like a pencil. It feels like porcelain. That is kind of strange. Or different. Let's call it different. We're not going to call it strange. And ooh, starting to bubble up over here. Loving that. I don't know if you can see it, but this is my lava lamp. My lava lamp is my entertainment down here. So this is extremely cheap. When I say extremely cheap, I think I paid less than $20 for this here. This is very rubbery, and I really don't care too much about its cost as long as it covers the device properly. And we're gutting this bad boy. This was actually the first thing to arrive. I got this from Amazon. I know I'm supposed to pay like $7.99 for it. I'm a cheap guy. I didn't go refurbished, but what I did do was I looked around and I hunted and found this one here. This is 32 gigabytes, by the way, for only $6.88. So that was a steal. Okay, so it's gonna be a little bit of a tight fit here. Make sure I got this in here right. Oh, we go. And there, oh, accidentally turned it on, but there's my hello. There's my legal jargon. And wow, this is big. This is really big. Wow, this is kind of big, kind of awesome. I'm sorry, I'm whispering. I said this is kind of big and kind of awesome. So here we go. Slide and English. Oh, rotate it so you can see it. United States. And ooh, look at that. Actually, this is all you need to see for now. I'll talk to you later. This is gonna be interesting. Hopefully I can create some more videos, some cool stuff, some cool artwork. That'll be nice. You know what I'm saying? That's all I got to say about that. Hopefully the audio is good. Later.